Hey, what's up, guys? This is Bumblemus Prime, and today I'm going to react on My Little Pony Adventures Magic Season 1, Episode 22, A Bird and a Hoof. Let's go and take care of a bird. Alright, let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Alright, there you go. Sorry, I had to do a little error thing.
There you go, Mr. Mousy. Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome.
A mice? That's cute. Oh, Angel. Oh, careful where you're walking.
You found a watch? You wanna be a watch?
No, he's saying, oh, he's jogging.
You're running. Oh, running out of time? No, you're late?
You're late. He means you.
I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner.
Oh yeah, brunch. I had one of those.
Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look alright? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe
Nope.
I shouldn't go. It's starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't reminded me, I might have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and...
Just go.
Oh, right, I'm late.
That's me right there. All alone. Perfect. Without no supervision.
Oh, okay then. See you later.
Thank goodness. Sugar Cube Corner. I'm fixing the camera.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards anyway? Is the pay good? Hello? Anybody home?
Think, McFly. Think. That's a reference to another movie. I can't say it. Oh, they're just like those guards from London. You try to, like, distract them.
You're good.
They never move a muscle.
Too good. I'm bored.
Yeah. I bet I could do that.
Phew, made it.
Halt! Who goes there?
Who goes
Never
there?
mind. I'll go home. It's all right, sirs. She's on the list. Thanks, Twilight. I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
Whoa, I didn't know you could do that, Spike.
How's every pony doing? Good? Good.
Oh, look at that, Princess
Anything
Celestia.
else we can get for you, dearies? Oh, I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first. Oh, you and your tender loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean,
You're
of course
sweating.
she will. Wow, Twilight.
And you're blinking.
Thought I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings. Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends. But she's met us all before. And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression. Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right? Don't touch me! Watch the
What
dress!
the?
Careful! You're gonna spill that on me! Oh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me! Or perhaps not that casual.
Seriously.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
The sandwich or the salad? Sandwich, salad, sandwich, salad, sandwich, salad, or that.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
Oh, great.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice.
Oh, Pinky.
Oh, chocolate fountain, goodness.
I love chocolate fountains. You're not supposed to dunk your head in there. I bet someone really... Pinky, show some respect to the princess. Wait, that was Pinkie Pie's, screech. Are you?
1,000 pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
Wow.
Help me take up the board!
See it, honey bun.
That was quick.
Thank you.
Not at all,
You're
Your
so
Highness.
fast.
Thank you again. Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
Ha! Trick him.
Gotcha.
You tricked him.
Oh,
And what about you, dear? Fluttershy, is it?
me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small.
What the? What is
Nothing
that?
means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
What the heck is that thing?
Anita, my pet, you're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
Is that a featherless chicken?
Oh, my.
Yeah.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
She looks weird.
I've never seen anything like it.
It looks like it's dying. What?
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has
Just
requested
spit.
an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Yeah. Now I can eat some. I'm starved.
Oh, come on. Ouch. You just kicked some pony in the face.
All I want is a clear path to the exit.
Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt.
Oh, you're backing up. Beep, beep. Backing up. Beep. Oh, nice. You're taking a to-go box.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure
That's
how
me
things
right
went
there.
with the princess, but at least
Taking
no
food
big
after the
disasters
party.
happened.
Oh no, the bird's gone. Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Oh, you
Oh.
poor little thing.
He's been
How did you ever
Fluttershy.
get in such bad
Oh,
condition?
sheep. It's a sheep.
Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who's obviously just far too busy to care for you properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help. Oh my! We better get you to bed right away.
Can it really go to bed with those freaky eyes? It's cold now. It's hot. It's cold. Hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. It can't make up
This
its
is far
temperature.
worse than I thought. You need some medicine. Stat.
Yes. We need a doctor.
Philomena. This will fix you
A
right
pill?
up.
That's me
Dr.
right there.
Fluttershy expected that.
She's not gonna eat it.
Always works.
Yep. Always sneak the medicine. She didn't eat the
As
medicine?
always.
How about some soup?
There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you.
No.
Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you.
Nope. Not gonna drink it.
Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo.
Oh, come on. Open up for the train. Whoa, how are you sending your neck like that? Open for the train.
Oh dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing.
Okay.
Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered
Are
friend
you
back
eating
to show
rat
you out.
food?
Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time.
Hummingbirds?
Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena.
I know a place where there's hummingbirds.
Aw, look. I think he likes you. Ah!
the theme
Your
song.
turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it.
Uh-oh. She's about to throw up. Ew. Gross.
Good try. I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier.
Careful. Those things are hot.
Ah, refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better?
Oh, her eyes are bigger and...
Oh. That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about
meditation?
aromatherapy?
Yeah, don't sniff that. It makes you sneeze a lot. What the? She can hydrate like a sponge?
Ointment?
Oh, now she's growing zits.
Scalpel.
Scalpel.
Surgical tape.
Surgical tape.
Feathers.
Feathers.
Oh, Philomena. I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health. I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever. Hi, Fluttershy.
Oh no,
I just wanted
Twilight.
to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here? I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help. Oh, no. This is bad. How could I just walk away and not do anything? She doesn't belong to you. I had to do something. Without telling any pony? Without asking permission? But... I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet. But...
Is it dying? Oh no, it's
You're
dead.
right. Okay, let's...
Is it dead? Oh, never mind.
go.
It's alive. Alright, we're taking you back.
Hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
Uh-oh. Royal Guards. They noticed.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, but the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say!
Oh no, they're sick.
It's that dry night air? But it's daytime. Well,
Oh, you're
day
sweating.
air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye!
Okay, they're gone.
Phew. What are you doing? Going to return Philomena, remember? We can't now! Why not? You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
She's gonna imprison you.
Well, no.
I know,
But
they're gonna imprison
it
you.
can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria, or
Yeah.
throw you in a dungeon,
You get that?
or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
That doesn't make any sense.
You think the princess would do that? Okay, granted that probably won't happen, but do you want to take any chances? All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well. That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal? Please, Twilight. You just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be
Oh my
fine.
gosh, look at those eyes.
Did you give her any kind of medicine? I tried to, but she wouldn't take it. Ugh! Then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make
Yes.
her straighten up and fly right.
Yes, Scott. You just gotta stare at them in the eye. Yeah.
Done.
Swallow
okay,
it.
What else? Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all our coughing, I mean.
A cone. The cone of shame.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Of course, but
Next!
well, she desperately needs some bed rest. But I can't get her to stay put.
Excuse me. Sorry.
One
Looks
step
like-
ahead of you.
Oh my goodness. Looks like I'm getting this sickness
You're all
as...
good, Philomena, I promise.
Yes,
Please,
as the
just
chicken.
relax and try to
Or
get
whatever
some
it
sleep.
is.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena. She wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
What are you gonna do? Hey! Get back here, chicken! Or... Uh-oh, the chase is on. Get back here. Ha! It's climbing. Even pretending it's a newspaper. Even wearing a mustache. Wait a minute. Scooby-Doo reference.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? When does it go?
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down.
What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we gotta find
Princess's pet bird!
What the? Oh my god, it's naked.
Down from there. You'll hurt yourself.
And it's fed the mist. Oh my god, it's dead! Oh, never mind.
I'll catch you.
Oh wait, is it dead? Or is it playing possum? Oh my god. She's burned to a crisp.
What is going on here?
Uh-oh, busted.
Twilight?
Yes, Your Majesty. There's been a terrible accident.
Your
It's
pet
all
died.
my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it, but you were only trying to help. Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault.
No, it's my fault. Wait, what are we talking about? Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest.
But it's burned to a
So,
crisp.
if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
What the? What the heck? Is that like a firehawk?
I don't understand.
Or a falcon?
What is that thing? What happened to Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right,
phoenix?
Philomena?
She's a phoenix. Nice.
A phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix.
Now
I'm
she looks
afraid
better.
mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth would you get such an idea?
I guess I have some imagination. Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves. Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
Let's get you back in your cage. Well, nice. The feathers, I remember.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
Why are you telling Philomena now? Oh, tickle their noses. Ha, gotcha. So anyways, jumps to my reaction on My Little Pony Adventure Magic Season 1 episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. It was funny, especially if the hot and cold. I'd like to repeat it. So remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and smash the bell and the like button together. And I'll see you guys next time.